What if I told you that one small word can help you talk about the past, regrets, experiences, possession, and even imaginary situations? Yes, that word is had. And by the end of this video, you'll never be confused about it again. Imagine a boy named Rahul. Yesterday, Rahul looked at an old photo album and smiled. He said, "I had a bicycle when I was 10 years old." Here had simply means owned or possessed something in the past. As he kept looking at the photos, he remembered, "I had already finished my homework before I went out to play." This is the past perfect tense, showing that one action was completed before another past action. Suddenly, Rahul found a picture from his school trip. He laughed and said, "I had never seen snow before that trip." Here, had plus past participle tells us about a past experience before another event. Then he remembered something funny. His teacher had said, "If you had studied harder, you would have scored higher." This is the third conditional, used to talk about an unreal situation in the past and its imagined result. Rahul smiled, but also felt a little regret. He thought, "I wish I had listened to my parents." This use of had expresses regret about the past. Then he looked at a birthday picture and remembered, "I had my hair cut before the party." Here, had plus object plus past participle is the causative structure, meaning someone else did the action for him. Finally, Rahul closed the album and realized something important. One simple word had helped him talk about past possession, completed actions before another past action, past experiences, regrets, imaginary past situations, and causative actions. That's why had is one of the most powerful words in English grammar.